Spanish order to opposite dancers for pedagogies. This term is a Spanish origin. Kumintang. Moving hand on the wrist, either in clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This is an Ilocano dancer. Bilao. To turn palms of hands up and down alternately. Hands at waist level in front, elbows close to waist. Hayong-hayong. To place one forearm in front and the other at the back of the waist. This is a song. Sari. To scoop or swing the arm downward or upward in front of the body. The trunk following the movement of the scooping arm. This is a Tagalog term.
Touch step. This dance step is composed of pointing and closing of feet. Breaking step. This is executed by doing the heel place and close feet movements. Waltz. This can be done by doing the step, close step, feet movements. Cross waltz. This dance is composed of cross step, close step, movements of feet. Heel and toe polka. This is done by doing the heel place, toe point, feet movements.